York is going to gate 2 with thermal brake.
Yeah, if you grab it right here, and swing it up and around. Okay. Another little aluminum boat. Filled with 2 motors. Whatever. Taking up space in the customer's yard. Needed the space. Shipped us the boat. Full of 2 motors. Batteries. Contaminated aluminum. We'll figure it out. Now we're just going to try and move it. And actually, I'm going to swing it around and move it over onto my dirt pile so we can process it. Okay, here we go. Andre gets all the fun. Ah, a little far. That's it. Bring it to you. I was going to have to move it in a few steps.